What's the meaning of catch crop? Catch crop. Catch crop.
Catch crop. Catch crop. A catch crop refers to a type of fast-growing plant that is planted in between the main crops during the growing season, with the purpose of reducing soil erosion, controlling weeds, and increasing soil fertility. These crops are typically harvested before the main crop matures and can be used for animal feed or simply tilled back into the soil as green manure. Catch crops help to maintain soil health and improve crop yields, while also providing additional economic benefits to farmers. Overall, catch crops are an effective and sustainable agricultural practice that can have positive impacts on both the environment and the economy.